Section 1 Introduction. The purpose of the maintenance of the maintenance training manual is to assist to understand the Amtrax Superliner passenger car operation maintenance. The high-speed locomotives hauled cars are Pullman standard and capable of operating at speeds of 100 miles an hour on the Amtrax line with appropriate clearance. The three types of configurations covered with the manual, they are a coach, dining, sleeping car. The structural shell being the stainless steel is basically standard. All three configurations are coupled together and consisting of the bi-level cars, various configurations, passenger entrance of the car through the side air entrance located on the lower level of the center of the cars, the dining passengers to the car or through the car passages on the upper level body or on the upper level. Other bi-level type cars have the side doors as used in passenger to enter the car, and exterior well is the upper level body using stairway adjacent to the center vestibule area. The passenger car from car to car is accomplished only on all cars, only the upper level. 1-1. The bi-level cars are designated to operate individual. The power car supplied locomotive auxiliary power unit. The unit delivers 480 volts, 3-phase, 6 hertz, distributed to the cars of the train lines, inner car jumpers. The transformers each reduce the primary power to the proper voltage of the car subsystem electrical components. In addition, with primary power, each of the car battery with delivering nominal voltage 64 volts. Other subsystems: bi-level car, the heating, ventilation, air conditioning, communication, water system, door to the system, truck and brake system. Miscellaneous car body items are installed to cars to meet the different configuration requirements. The following section manual will be provided by the Amtrak personnel with general information. Operational maintenance of the subsystem cars when they use the conjunction maintenance training manual is present overall over the three car configurations. The detailed maintenance information for the running maintenance service manual, heavy repair maintenance manual of these cars. 1-2. The car exterior arrangement. The car shall have three configurations covered by the manual. Basically standard construction, stainless steel for the exception of the end of the frame. The exterior skin is formed by the corrugations of the strength and appearance in the windows areas flat platformed and are as contained in the red, white, and blue Amtrax color scheme. 1-2-1. The entrance doors. Station entries of the bi-level cars through the center of the doors of the both sides of the car. The doors are open into the vestibule, into the vestibule area. On dining cars, these doors are not used for the passenger entrance or exit. Additional entrance through the passage is located at the A and B end of the upper level. The walkway is enclosed by the diaphragm passenger comfort during the car-to-car passage. A sliding door is provided at each end of the A's of the operated two touch plates on each side of the hand of the foot. Activation door operated. The doors arranged so they are normally open for 15 seconds. The doors may be locked and passenger protection either when the car is either leading or trailing in the car. 1-2-2. Access doors. The number of access located in the exterior car. The equipment compartment accesses for the door on the left side of the car. The hinge is to swing outward of having the door latching the operating opposite from the operable from the outside. The access doors with the permit, the removal, the replacement status, service function of all equipment components. Utility will remove access door that located on both sides of the car. These two doors have the room that swing outward latch in the fully open position. The doors have locks operable for the outside of the standard Amtrak coach key. The space is used to check the baggage on the coach and sleeping car on the dining, and the utility is used to house the components necessary for food service. Here's emergency windows, car consistent sign, emergency windows on a bi-level Superliner car extra arrangement. Utility room, equipment compartment, access door, removable AC grill, the B and AN air filter, access door, equipment compartments, water filler, emergency window, trucks, car consistent sign, emergency window, wayside receptacle, batteries, departments, access doors, fresh intake of the grill, B and AN car number, sign, emergency windows, emergency windows. Here's the door. Amtrak air conditioning filter access is located on both sides of the car and provided the access disposable filters for the fresh and air recirculated air access in the standard Amtrak coach. 1, 2, 3 indicating lights. The 3 light breaker indicator is installed outside each of the each point near the center line. The light indicates the condition of the brakes, magnetic valves on the car. The light color are amber, applied green, applied green for the release, white for the tested indication. There are sufficient brightness so that the normal sunlight they are visible at a distance of 600 feet. The light is indicated in the handbrake status lighting. Applied light when the handbrake is on. Test indication light indicates that the car has made an individual response to the locomotive intended electric training, magnetic valve brake application, brake release signal. 2 red markers are located on each of the end of the car. These markers lights up operating in the DC circuit. The body end of the light is located on each of the ends of the car. These lights are in the illuminate walkway beneath the cars. 1, 2, 4 safety appliances. Safety appliances installed in passageway side door side ends of the car that consist of handhold steps, safety bars. The handhold are located at the side entrance door, both sides of each body of the door at the signs at the end. The side sills stand step and provide on the corner but car directly below the side of the handholds. Each end step is located at A and B end of either coupler. Back out of this for a second. You have your power training, permanent cables, car to the locomotive train line receptacle, power training receptacle. These little power buttons, power train, and permanent cables, uncoupling lever, your car-to-car training control receptacles, dummy receptacle, safety bars, mark lights, car ID, grab bar, car number sign, body end light, diaphragm assembly, handbrake B end only, and car-to-car train line control receptacle. At each end of each car, the 2 hinges transverse safety bars that are used when the car is leading on the trail position on the train. When extending the former horizontal barrier across the end of the car to the height of 2 feet and 2 feet by 4 feet above the floor, it is manually lowered in position and locking receptacle with a prevent disengagement except for the manual operation. The 2 handholds at the side entrance body end of the doors assist the passengers entering the car, going from the car to the car walkway. 1, 2, 5 inner car connection. H high lock couplers provided at each end of the coupler is fitted by the manual coupling and uncoupling. Uncoupling at the ground level is accomplished by uncoupling located on the left side of the car when facing the car. The train line connections are made from the receptacles at the both ends of each car. The separate jumper cable are used to interconnect the cars with looping circuits. These red receptacles is for power, blue communication control, and the white for dummy communication and control. The power train line receptacle is used to handle at 480 volts, 3-phase, 60 hertz. Power from the locomotive jumper plugs from the receptacle equipped for the 3 power points, 3 short control points. When the jumper is connected, the shorter the control points break and the contact first opening the contractor to the 480 volt supply in the locomotive to prevent disconnecting the power points under the load. Inner car communication control looping circuits. The train line at 27 point jumpers at each end of the car. 22 27-point receptacles are located at each end of the car, the center line. 1 is the dummy receptacle. A third is the receptacle connection for the locomotive. When they're not in use, the loose of the jumper from car to car train to control the receptacle plugged in. The dummy receptacle completes a loop control circuit at the far end of the train. The loop circuit relay energized by the established battery source and continuing train brake application release light, brake pipe, main reserve train line. Pneumatic coupling is made manually with the hose connection at the end of each car. The connection to train line permanently cable receptacles are made by the AR standards contactors prominently identified. 126. The trucks in the brake. There are cars with two trucks that each have two axles outboard mounted at 6.5 to 12-inch roller bearings, 36 diameter multiple wheels. Each axle has two inboard mounted brake discs. The track form are welded construction and H configuration. The primary suspension individual dampening coils. These axles kept in the proper orientation by a leaf spring guide. The secondary suspension consists of a spring plate suspended from the truck um, frame by four swinging links and two air springs. The truck bolster is supported on the spring blank and the air springs. The secondary suspension independently dampened by the vertical laterally. The torsion arrangement between the two block truck bolster frame is used in initial regulation of the car surface control and the car body roll. To the car body connection is a locking type of the center pin. 127. Miscellaneous car exterior items. The entrance of the manual operated hinge inward of the vestibule areas. The entrance doors are equipped with locking mechanisms directly below the spring return door handle that locked unlocked with a standard Amtrax coach key, and dining car side entrance door are equipped with an individual assigned high security locking mechanism instead of a standard coach key mechanism. To replenish potable sanitary water supplies, a water filter box is located on each side of the car. The fill connection consists of a female hose connection with a spring loaded cap enclosed with a removal to the hose to protect the filling of the connection. Each of the filler boxes marked air and fill. When the valve is turned to fill the position of the train line compressed if the air is cut off. The air pressurizing the water storage tank is vented and the water fill line is opened. As the storage tank is filled, water flows through the vent line. Water flows through the vent line, and from the open side of the drain indicates the tanks are filled. While the valve turns to the air position, the water supply is shut off and the train line compressed maintains air pressure at 35 psi water supply system to reduce to 20 psi before the water enters the passenger compartment. On the driving wayside receptacle located on each of the car, the receptacle provides power for dining, food preparation circuits during layover, or the locomotive auxiliary power is not available. That prevents the spoilage in refrigerated food. 116. The car number signs identifies the car. Enable the record keeping the maintenance purpose of the car consistent with the help passengers locating a circuit car of train circuit. All set windows are double glazed breather type sash units that can be moved inside of the car without removing the such sash frames. Each window unit has a outer tinted safety glass pane 1/4 of an inch and an inner pane 1/4 of an inch of that thick Lexan separated 1/4 of an inch airspace. The window panes are mounted in sash units secured with a rubber and any aluminum frame that mounted to the car body structure. Each car has a side emergency escape for such sash units, 4 upper level, 2 on each side, evenly distributed along the length of the car, staggered fashion to located in the lower level passenger area on each of the side staggered in longitude. The dining car lower level does not have the windows. The windows units similar to the appearance of the other side of the window, except for that they provide 2 emergency pull handles disengaging the window seal, thereby enabling the window to be pulled into the car for passenger exit in the emergency. All the body and interior doors have been single glaze fixed such a safety and mounted directly to the door. Rubber glazing it requires no such frame. The side entrance vestibule doors have been hinged double glazed breather type sash. A similar construction side windows. All interior doors of the passenger access passenger compartments may be gained except for the toilet straightway entrance door having windows that are readily replaced. For the passenger compartment side of the butting of the passenger vestibule from side facing the larger passenger compartment with both sides of the passing areas. 3. Car interior arrangement. 1.3. One of the basic structures arrangement has been made for the coach and dining with sleeping cars. The following paragraphs describes the 3 different cars. The coach car. The coach car has a total seating capacity of 77 passenger seating distribution, 62 passenger seating on the upper level, 15 passenger seats on the lower level. Lower level divided into 2 passenger seating and toilet facilities. The A contains the unisex toilets, woman lounge having separate woman toilet, a handicapped person toilet, a linen closet. The B and containing passenger sitting for the 15, including handicapped person seat. The vestibule areas contain about 2 carpeted carry-on luggage shelves, the wheel, the chair ramp, storage area, fire exchanger, emergency tool conductors, emergency brake valve, electrical locker, water station, a buzz indicator panel. Panel located ceiling, stationary leading of the upper level separation between the vestibule's passengers areas accomplished for the pneumatic operating sliding vestibule. The upper level containing the passenger seating of the water station of the fire extinguisher located in B ends of the side of the stair, the alley located adjacent to the stairway, the accumulated opposing passenger traffic, ASO conductor, emergency brake valve, trash container, car signs located on each of the end of the car, the handbrake located with a pocket on the transverse walkway on the B end of the outside end of the door. Here is an Amtrax coach interior. See, it's double floored. It has the seats in the top, while it has the rooms in the bottom. Another one is a dining car. Has the dining, and you see a picture of the dining, the rooms below in this below section. Sleeping cars on the bottom. This is a seating capacity you see here on the top one. This one has, this is the water. We'll start from the left. A car conjugate sign. AN Buffalo supply air trash container. Conductory valve. Return air, exhaust air blow, lock, damper override handle location, door cruise switch, lighting, attendant call button, luggage, water cooler, fire extinguisher, right side, left side, conductor valve, return air duct, exhaust blower, docket, BN, car consistent sign, handbrake, something, supply air and trash container. Starting from the right side on the left, right side up, left side down. The main floor tank, battery charger, exhaust blower, AC unit, battery component, equipment compartment, diaphragm, BN. Right side water cooler, seat and handicap shelves, carpeted, water cooler, Fisher locker, conductor buzz indicator, communication locker, luggage wheelchairs, ramp storage, conductor's valve, toilet for unisex toilet, woman's toilet, linen closet unisex toilet, 12 shelves, woman lounge, woman toilet, P, water raising reservoir, power water raising reservoir tank, heater box type, some kind of tank, waste receptacle system, exhaust and equipment compartment. Here you see BN right side, and A to the right side of the BN. the conductor's valve, the seat number sign, the drop down tray, cover lighting length, emergency window, indicator, diffuser, lighting, speaker, heater grill, light, overhead lighting, emergency window, uh, cam, campantine, carpeted, when carpeted lounge bag, locket, car consistent partition, equipment. Now from the B to right side of the A, the equipment compartment, battery compartment, main reserve, battery charger, auxiliary tank, auto utility room, door, emergency window, communication locker, luggage, wheel, carriage, ramp, fire extinguisher, tools, emergency tools, conductor valves, handicap, toilet, washer, reserves, water, waste treatment, equipment compartments. And straight through the middle, you see your trash container, the limits, the lack of the AC unit, the power water tank, the woman's toilet, unisex toilet, unit toilet, and that's about, and the lights. Now from the B end to the left side to the A is you have your handbrake, your door pocket, your conductor's valve, your emergency window, your cover lighting, your drop down tray, your fire extinguisher, the dispenser, the water cooler, a receptacle, a louve, a carpeted indicator containing container type, curtains, diffusers, azel lighting speaker, carpeted emergency window, large racket, cruise switch, car consistent sign, and equipment compartment exhaust, and the AC unit. The door opens, the heater allows the waste water treatment, the power water tank, the light, the waste system, the woman's lounge, the vanity and player, sofa, light, linen closet, unisex toilet, valve control panel, electrical locker, car CBG, receptacle, water cooler, stairway, emergency window, heater chill, Amtrax supplied trash container, light, door openings, exhaust blower, light and utility book, room, equipment compartment, AC unit, locker, and trash container. Passage between the accomplished upper level through the active electromagnetic diaphragm walk through existing. The entrance shall be touched by operated pneumatic sliding indoors, although above seating areas, the continuous lounge storage area that has two readings, the attendant call button for the two passengers, light speakers are alternately spaced with the ceilings through the center of the length of the car, condition of the diffused ceiling ducts, and return to the rail, return to the areas of the grills at the end of the passenger through the separate fan duct arrangement of the exhaust air system. The equipment compartment located at either end of the car, which has from the outside of the equipment compartment to the A end of the house to the conditioning hot water 250-gallon potable water storage as water raising pressure reserves, the heater box, exhaust blower, the water treatment system, the equipment, the compartment of the B end of the house, the air conditioning main, auxiliary air storage tanks, battery charger, exhaust blower, batteries accessible. The opening compartments, the utility room is located in the B end of the use of for the storage. Dining cars. The dining cars have facilities handling 72 passengers sitting, all the seating located upper level and arranged in the tables for the four of the booth two type stations. Maturity station. The maturity station contains the facility loading, unloading, dumb waiter, soup warmers, refrigerator, sinks, ice, and well on fire. Here we have an upper level dining facility filled in with seats and the kitchen on the bottom. What is this crazy drawing? Dining car arrangements. extinguisher, emergency chew to the spinning metal, or order the tickets, food preparation on the center of the lower level of the trap door, lowered over the stairway connecting both levels. Passenger entrance to exit in the inner car can only be made by the upper level via pneumatical operated sliding end of the door to the either end of the conductor's emergency brake of the trash containers are located at each end of the upper level. The handbrake is located within the pocket of the transverse walk area of the B and the upper level. The lighting fixtures or the speakers alternately spaced in the ceiling through the center length of the upper level, the lower level of the compromise. The entire food preparation center is consistent with sinks, freezers, dishwashers, refrigerators, food storage facilities, toasters, roll warmer, griddle, microwave oven, convection ovens, 2 dumb waiters, 1 fresh food and otherwise dirty dishes dispenser and linen closet and crew toilet. Vestibule areas of the preparation contains the electrical lock or safety equipment for the 2 dumb waiters, the conductor, emergency brake valve. All equipment compartment is located on either side of the car with access from the outside of the equipment compartment to the A end of the house of the air conditioned hot water tanks to 250-gallon potable water storage tanks with water rising air pressure vessel heating boxes and exhaust below the equipment compartment of the B end of the house of the air conditioning unit and the main auxiliary reserve air storage tanks. Battery charged exhaust blowers, power transformer, the circuit breaker of the battery is accessible from the outside of the car, opening the compartment doors. The utility room located at the B end of the house of the kitchen area, circuit breaker, the refrigerator control panel, the refrigerator condenser module, accessible and available for the outside of the car through the swinging open door. The fresh air damper, the mount is on the left side of the lavatory door. The sleeping cars can accommodate 44 passengers with 30 berths of the upper level, 14 at the lower level. At each end of these upper level first deluxe rooms accumulated with 2 passengers at each of the rooms and accessible for the 2-foot aisles right side of the train. Each is equipped with individual toilet facilities, overhead flush light fixtures with an emergency light of the red reading lights, air supplies, controllable manual adjustable damper with restricts the flow air of the into the room, convenience outlet through the convenient outlets located near the wall facilities, the GFI protected entertainment controls. The B end of the upper level are 2 to 10 economy size accumulated 2 passenger rooms. In each of these rooms, 2 facing the converted lower bunk or the upper berth and hinged and on the side of the lower end of each room has a closet mirror located near the closet. This room has equipped with 3 reading lights, convenience outlet, overlit, headlight fixtures, emergency light bulb, entertainment controls, air supply controllable by manual adjustable damper. All windows have drapes and be closed and sleeping entrance of the room, a common and center aisle. Your sleeping car integration sheet 1 of 2. You have your conductor valve, babe, and the conductor sign, the locker, the exhaust air, the return air, the sleeping room capacity rooms with the upper level sleeping pass, the fire extinguisher, the water cooler, the right side on the B end. On the left side of it, the secondary rooms, the capacity of about 20, the conductor's valves, the train air assemble, lock, handbrake, car signs, lacquer, return air. From the A end starting at the right side, the hot water tank, the AC unit, the water raising, the water raising, water treatment heater, index, exhaust blower, equipment compartment, handicap room capacity, unisex toilets, linen closet, electrical locker, emergency tools, fire extinguishers, communication compartmented, economical rooms, TP, a family room. Auxiliary resign tank of the right side of the valve reserve, emergency compartment, battery, charger, exhaust blower, AC unit, diaphragm, and BM equipment. Here is page 2, the sleeping car, as it is very hard diagram. Better read about it. The vestibule used at the upper level contains a water cooler, water station, extinguisher to alcove the accumulated opposing passenger traffic in the aisle. The conductor, emergency brake valves, car consists of silent trash containers located on each end of the upper level. Each handbrake is located in the pocket transverse walkway on the end of the upper level. Lighting fixture, speaker, and they all alternately spaced through the aisle vestibule areas. Passenger entrance to exit in the sleeping car be accomplished for the upper level using a pneumatic opening. Sliding doors as vestibule sides that are manually operated. The A side is the lower level containing 5 unisex toilet line closet of handicapped person became room to be accommodated with 2 passengers to the room of the transverse accumulated toilet or complete toilet facility with the grab bars separated with the living quarters as current arrangement of the living quarters similar to the economic room except for the grab bars are strategically located. The B side of the end of the lower level contains 4 economical rooms with the accommodated 2 passengers each room of each family. The family is transverse at the rear end of the B. The family room is equipped with a transverse sofa that seats the converts of low berth. The portion above the seat is equipped with a hinge upper berth seat extension covered with a steep step arrangement for the excessive upper berth. The child upper bunk is hinged to file down for the use of the lower provided by the access to the bunker. The room is equipped with 5 reading lights and a ceiling light with the emergency light in the closed cloth. Each room is equipped with a public address entertainment system and attending call button. The vestibule equipment at the compartments. The utility room for a sleeping car is similar to the coach. Entrance to the sleeping car is made for the sign entrance to vestibule areas. Leading the particular following describes the physical makeup of each of the configurations. See the shell. The dimensions same for the configuration. Only one of the listing presented. The car shell. Data: the car length over a coupler 85 feet. The truck centers at 59 and 6. The car width at 10 feet 2.5 inches. The car height at 16 feet 2 inches. The car weight is 126,000 pounds. Upper level 6 foot 6 to minimum. Lower level lower level 6 foot 2 inches minimum. Vestibule area 6 foot 2 6 inches minimum. Door opening 6 foot 2 6 inches minimum. 6 foot 6.5 inches. Clear width opening side indoor 36 inches, indoor door 30 inches, stairway upper level 12.4 inches. Trucks 2 axle wheels, truck wheelbase 8 foot 6 inches. Car passenger capacity upper level coach is 62, dining area 72, and sleeping in the upper levels. Lower level coach dining and sleeping 15, not applicable. Dining and sleeping at 14. Auxiliary car component equipment compartment. All cars, a utility room. All cars, electrical outlet. All cars, sanitation system. All cars, luggage storage coach and sleeping cars. Food preparation cars. Or food preparation center. The dining cars, food extinguisher. All cars, dummy waiters, dining cars, water systems, all cars, communication system, all cars, air conditioning heating system, all cars, doors, pneumatic systems, all cars. Section 2, equipment description.